Odun bomb and anoma aye kama mao. Omu dimpa, obiasinwa, or didn't want bomb, a control sem, when yank kawa womb, and Thomas Brian, no more for uncle, Uyobia, open birth certificate, open traveling passport, and answer open bank statement, a Lucas travel consort, on a wow, I'm on sa at my canina. Almost see her catch or say, Omo purge by a 4, and no my juma, and 2 timen kana one cratana qualifier. Faokratan Kodan Womo, Amo marketing manager, sales personnel, receptionist, administrators, shop attendant, house help, and accountant, and until Shomacha Quine, Nano any Jumano for Jumana Bianya Kama, and what you Shomacha called Tamagov City from 0534 543210 0534 543210 from Omajosa Bia Ayakama, expert in sciatica, 21st clinic. Jenna Vianian so can manajo, and until 21st clinic, dear. Yamomo amo, Yamomo aquaba, Yamomo Tanasepa, Nina se Adumapa, and Omo Omo Aje, Naka 21st clinica, and then Crawford Kabi, a sciatica, Yaniasa, a sciatica, no Sasa, a Yadabaya, Omuntimentro, 21st clinic in Kwane, Ayarasabia, or Debbie drew essay idea, Eba sciatica, Obe to Asiadiama, sciatica Yadibia, a so unam kokum elko to Asino, now I titriti, now what as a show, now a casa cohabra, when ya be man swa, Wintiminko, when ya baby antina, Wintimi enco, a sciatica and 21st clinic, and quan bet me Asadiamana, Quanomosa, almost see a dear brave, which is so equasunase, Nanwada, na malaria do crumia, na remre, me call and never, Mina me casa, a baba, woman, now quaid, Mamina say, Yadia Bian, Oko, no twinchia, or more fidia tele, Sasuna nurses and doctors are, or more pabinea, or Musabra Mwasa, Mudonipa, Ebunipa, no more boat massa, Yadia would was at Yamau, and Fidia would honor, say a bassa scanner, Ombe chat, no mache, a balabom, do Ramamo Janoma dosum, on Babia Yadiano, the 21st clinic for say, Yankan to us all the bra, now Babia will be more than 15 branches, Ewo Ghana, no Kumasi, and our overseas, who do Alpha Radio in Chanwa, Sansu and Apimo was some more council quarters, Court Junction in Chanwa, and our Cromo Domi Market, Upimo Sumane Buho, in Cranse Buho, Sansu and Techman, a Bio, Takradini Cape Cosinano, 21st clinic, or more branches, now from 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 from na bia kama cancer on munyam for Kennedy a compare kwa Japan Udru Asin Central, Udru a Central Regional, Udru Ghana, ya capital crime, Uba Ashanti Regional Capital Kumase, Uba Ghana Babia, a Diobiabo, a Kennedy a compare ku Ubrenie, Kennedy Sementia, Nina say, Kennedy Japan, so I'm Rachabe Ama Asin Central, Nejuma Wabono, Ama Adeshane Adum Force, a Brennan Yesobe Franca, Tunibe Mampanini, no Boadisha Ghana, and until MP Pamanukuno, Wasumache, Wabuache. Ama no man nyina so atima koye eni to ase ebrani nie adoya waya adehye Ghana omunya MPP for adehye won krofo maman so omo ne Kennedy Japan ti no omutimi didi emebi so mabusua so no ene wo se MPP ase ahenfo yi said amu yema no super delegate conference no November so a monsanto abama no na ome franka tuni fama MPP amanyoko na bibia kama no na oba sompa ye kasa fidie so a ede Friday bia fiada bia no anwumre no nan kosi se no nsabebo ni tim no betena so no modi no dance pa aka nsampa dwuma pa wa ye jama mansan ene MPP amanyoko ndia esefata huhia se ewo se yetimi esoma no enti na Friday yi eya TV na bia so enye kama sanso na ye ka kiro se ni nyina se panipa mieru pe edo makwa abrochiri eye mema wo ye bema tie me ye do ko babia beda won krata de be adwuma eye bibia no on be sorte ne kama de ama ye mpene na enye bukata asem frenam baisesi ai na kachom so ye bema o pese okwa abrochire na okoto na kwa adwuma work permit no bibia no edidam kama saso na be hwe se babia wo betena ne unoma nyina no eye jeje tuje eno ti frenam ba 0241 272990 0241 272990 na bibia enye kama na miso food drink ene Misa 5G na Misa 5G ni de samanhia emema na sabe srade adokro mafumu no emema na nkramofo ya kese na nehu wabu dia bia sabi aso ye slim na fusu atwen because of Misa 5G mo nante kakra no abre wo ye adwuma kakra bia no abre no ma nsanka Misa 5G guarana wom saso grapes no eye ginseng mema be mo system aye dem system aye de enu achi no ye said the miso fruit drink aba na miso fruit drink ya de se unsaka bia ebetuma bo program bia se nkramofo program Christopher program ase enu no mo che kwa yare sabi obi oyare bia no drink no miso fruit drink na ma unsaka bia bia nya kama peni do support to akoton a number me de to dwai ofra ba bia bia no car no edibi bebrel eno 0246 270221 0246 270221 ofra ba bia obi ano ya the number no ebe ya adwuma ne ya follow ne ya ba ne de bia bro na bia so e kama abu diabi ebre e na asoen amno ne nsem and what international Abu Dhabi
Lutakin
international Abu Dhabi
Lutakin
say no what did I
okay never did I
and the Misa 5G na mo funa ye kama pa
areve na mavuzo
oh send na first no funu mo pija
sa we sure
ai
sa
ntiana me
ba we a wo kan zeb gume so pa o de anim
oh Dhabi sebu me no ye kuruku ne kraka
Dhabi ba ya kan sebe no krefa me ho me bo Misa 5G Emma me de ye niema enyeze ya
Emma osisimu ye de
Dhabi ya na me de kobobo
oh de kobobo
yes say be am kobo ma cha oze mese ahode ti o ze no Misa 5G na Emma ma ahode sonko na mitimi de kokowura mu na mitimi de bo na eboa ma na makoye kama pa etimi ye de mame na ye ya ti ye ya
yes yam fam aye a police for the fire service for say udu swami a Rome hotel aye U10 na so abrosa na ono ejadam Adam Sesia Yabesre as a Ghana National Fire Service for any police for T and car Omumra Sesia Mebwa and yes I no money Japadiani addition no my best say pie best Omumra Mebwa Abu Yankwe.
All right, Super 93.1 www.superfmonline.com. Of course, Yabomodena, Yetimi Edrom na Manon Comono, Etimi Edromu Kama Pretimi Amadi Atemsoro, Yeshal Sia dia Anopano Luta Keneba, Ebabi Jumano, Etimi Edema said the big bolter, Ejipene Etimi Atogano, and he the ultimate fighter, your friend Francis Ngannou, Ejana Naswene Tassin Free, their call, Etimi Aquaco Beninara, Omobo Modiana Chesen to Tiaudona, Etimi Edroma press conference no ene dia keka kanetimi ekoso na no eden papa after no ena Tassin Free ababa be didi nkomo oso prese after Francis Ngannou wabuna wie no obese 2024 obesan ne no dia akwa ne enyo no nko a oso already mu se bi ti se John Jones so no obetimi ne no etimi era boni after no chechen se de oye ni nyina ene sika na opening nyina na busuanti ena obo modern apesika no se no obo modern a ode nkomo ne ruamu mai
back into boxing. I said I wanted to make most money as possible. That's what I said to my lawyer. I didn't come back this time for belts or titles or anything. I come back to secure my family and their kids and their grandkids, and I've done it.
This is the reason why this fight in particular.
No, this is the reason. The reason why I'm even boxing anymore when they come back. One, to regain the belts, which I've done, and two, more than that, is to get the biggest bags possible.
So you're fighting strictly for money.
Yep.
There's going to be contenders out there who.
Atianu ya command no paper your friend Tassin Free abomodiere to yati 2000 no the gypsy ken and the free also na uzampa it all didn't come up man ma daye pa etimi ede man emfio ne mbra emma me commodity anra orwani chema na chese European qualifier no Euro 2024 result ni bi eramana no ede papa na the record no Kazakhstan man no omo anhye bia ma Finland ko ekobo mo ba Lithuania ebomienu ma Montenegro so no ebomienu na France so etimi ehye mienu ma Republic of Ireland no more entimi anti on the foot of play no o wesere niema esie kwa Oleron Chouameni ebomodi etimi nya ko ti la kazet me hwe Chouameni ni go no sere niema nesi on TV no obenya ahwe no sere totua no esi ati ball no ne epia na ye premier de by after no eretimi ewura man na UEFA for a confirm so mo RS this round no ababe ye goal of the week na chese ano edie papa contender ye hwe na nyato aba yina boa amane ma de da ye pa etimi edie amom nti Real Madrid midfielder no elsan ye na de bi ma Tchouameni and Pomode Enya Guani na Mabwa Mount to end the other man after no and Marcus Thuram so bomb the other back etimi account and ra or game no said mun come on Esia Koya Olivier Giroud dia boya 26 minutes no pie erifi game ni Marcus Thuram e baba be shena na Johnny a obonso all corner central for no etwebe no na no mu bisa no so Olivier Giroud ni pra no na ano edian no se ano nye den ogiri central baba na baba be jama bo ejuma boa amane ma koye pa etimi ara ma France man after no and also on the 16th September no or rest the game betimi akoso omra esimla no money inte e de ebo ani no obeko akwa jama boa ma bibia akoye kama pa so etimi ara mo no awra musa no na wa ma me Mark Menyo yes ejuma Mark Menyo ere de ma France man no e ya de ano edin wa bomodin a Euro qualifier no wa bo 4 games ni na wa keep clean sheet a e boa ma bibia e da ye kama so ro etimi ara ma no tie no ye France for mo come on de aba be rama no fiona rwani echema other result ye record ye no ese ne no so ro esi atie the orange na Netherlands omo e bo miensa ma Greece so no Entimi antisa kana na no edie papa na e wonto tuye mu nkomo no ene Mati di run enya go ni bi Godi Campo enya go ni bi na fe no Valt Vergos so no e bo mo de bi etimi ka Poland bo mi no e ma Faroe Island mine no entimi anti Robin Lewandowski enya go ba ko na fe penalty ba ko o Sunday kan we bo ma bibia e da de ma no check she ba ko ma Benia e she ba ko Serbia o mo she ba ko ma Hungary mine no etimi kokobo mu mi no e na fe Denmark so no etimi e bo kan na ma San Marino o mo etimi antena Slovenia elso share kanai ma Northern Ireland so ro etimi ebo mienu a na no eden papa ne match so no ebetimi ato aso na 6:45 no oro wani chemo group D a ene Croatia man no ebo Latvia Turkey obone Armenia man no ene de bebo ni na fe group J no 6:45 say na tie Bosnia Herzegovina omo bebo Leicester man na Luxembourg so ro ene Iceland man no ene de bebo ni na fe so ro omo from Slovakia ebe German na so no mo Portugal e de aboni na aboa na hyehyɛ na da yepa etimi e de amoma no fio na ko Corona didi kobo eba international football ene sere ho ne ma no esi etie padia ye fa ye ni etime chemwe zanzenra opin perfect Jürgen Klinsmann ebo modia ogina mu edema South Korea as a coach to end that your game against Wales no and 0-0 after the game no set up in parable mo didi in komo
break through their back five. We tried to do more, getting more chances, but they defended really well, and obviously Wales always creates chances, especially when they have their target players up front and when they are coming with set pieces. We all know that. Overall, I told the team just now, it was a very good test for us. I wish the Welsh team best of luck on their trip to Latvia, and thank them again that we made this game possible.
Money prepare friendly jogging Klinsmann up on the area to go in Latvia for game more many walls the baby in and no up on the walls minor or show more the best is as you so more and more game and no edin papa more attack here now no edin now so or jiri so more abo more de etimi enya draw e buana to another yepa etimi era mo woni chemo comebo ano Pauluta baba be ejuma no etimi era ma bisalesi of Argentina e boba kuma equero minor etimi anto resere nema esieti Leo Messi enya dago na boama hyehyɛ da dimpa etimi ermo mana totoero enso ekoye na ne games no ebeje pene na etimi atoa so a boama ne ma da yepa etimi era mana mun komo no esere besi akọ 11 p.m. na na jono Uruguay man no ebebo Chile and after 12:45 a.m. machino Brazil man no enso any Bolivia na de ebebo ani a boama ne ma da dimpa etimi era mo of the game no ozampa game no na no edin yepa pananra orwani chemo Estadio Estaduao Jornalista Edgar Agosto Pro Enka na jese ewo Berlin na hono eye Brazil potemwa na no edin papa na team ne kokoko Ramo Berlin hono o wesere na nema esia kona ntotuero esia tia na no edin papa enye Rodrigo Diano na fama misisia na mame timer fans no ba neba betwashi aye ewo Brazil mu hotel o makwa akobo chenku hono ma na no motutu o mu jerseys no edemo mo so mu sign no orwani chemo Berlin do para na no edin papa na se na feeling no na esia tie Atia no ya komo kakra do wani echemo Brazil Potterman right team Ramani na boa amani amadeda di pre team Ramon Sanse ne 12:45 am no game no ano bread here papati estadio estadoa journalista Edgar Ogeso pro enka na game Brazil manu German aso na Bolivia team ya aboriti ne no orwani chemo Rodrigo Goes na chese na so ya ma so abomode the official video biaba Sanse no na omomode am final training session no team Era Muntini dia no e no dia Rama se Brazil manu juma omo ye ne niam omodi ram no e ya dia boa ma hyehyero ekoyie kama pan so e de mo ni omo se bibia e be da ye kama so team ya mo of the game no and Neymar Santos da Silva Junior Asian Central Fonra na komodi dem no mu bi sanse na liga wakwa Rama ye the Saudi league no ojiri se league ne bo no o compare the French league na se ne sitie oso obaba be Ramo Saudi no omo league ni bi de na nei uredin aba be Ramo ene ejuma mo boro ojiri se obeka se nga se league ne wo so kakra as compared to the French league no etia no ye komo akra ori aba be to gana mun komo no ene ewram na European Club Association chairman ye friend Nasser Al Khalifi na chese Paris Saint-Germain mo president no ne ebisa no ze no Saudi for na ejuma no mo ye na dabi no emma me ha European leagues na enkomo no say no bo mo de etimi ejai
club competitions in the world. We have the biggest and the best team in the world, club in the world, the best and the greatest football players in the world. So I don't think, it's for me to judge outside of Europe. It's not fair from us. I think we focus on ourselves, focus how we be, where we want to be next cycle. This is what I'm thinking about the others, which I think it's the most.
Atiano ya command e prepare na dia pa baba to ya cheze ne open players papa na cheze European League no mo petim papa e ho no mo ti onu nchini se mritia we no e beba na aba be ya dibia enye nsunsuanso e wo mo so na aboa ma hyehye no ada yesoro etimi e dia mo tiano ya command aba baba to ya former Arsenal legend ye friend Repala e di nkoma credit for Bukayo Saka ona waba kwada na ba so si na djumo ye ne mo di ro no ojiri se boy no e wo bibi kopa.
Never gets injured, Al. He's always playing. He's always fit to play. He's a real grounded young man who's always smiling. He enjoys his football. So he's been an absolute revelation for Arsenal, especially. Little things like I went to the training ground not so long ago, and every single player had a day off. But he was in because he just said, I want to do a little bit of a warm down, just get me legs going again. And he was on a bike. He didn't have to be there. And that's the sort of professional he is to say, look, I want to go in and look after my.
Atiano commander prepare po modern Eddie Atuja Bukayo Saka and I know bona basa akwarane djumo ye ne niam odi rom no ojiri se beboa no na game no niam akoye pa Eddie amanosi no oba England enya wa se eto aba yi na mpre no mienu eto aso no wanya best players and ne djumo bo edema asana ne ade ano eden papa bibre makakra na yen resere niam city anopa no luta ba eba bebobo so etimi edema ni na the AFCON qualifier yen rese be Ramo Cote d'Ivoire akọ ejuma na asa now teams are qualifying no ya Ivory Coast, Morocco, Algeria, South Africa, Senegal, Tunisia, Burkina Faso, Egypt, Zambia, Equatorial Guinea, Cape Verde, Mali, Nigeria, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Ghana, Angola, and Africa, Tanzania, Minone, Egypt, and Etmia to Asuna Mame Tanzania, Nra 0-0 draw Moko Konya ya Algeria, a draw more a qualifying no set an atmosphere ne siete Otumuza pa no mo supporters no omunia Jenafe players no so no mo so Gina munu dede na no mo ye no na boa ma ne ma de da ye pa etimi ede mo ma na boa ma hyehye no ekoye kama soro etimi ede mo ede mu nkomo no ewra metimi ara ma na no nya ready no ma me Cameroon no so mo ra mo garo a hono mo so ewe na ne ma de da de mo game no etimi atodwa na Olympic Marseille ere mo player your friend Francois Regis Mock na Henra ewo garo mo hotel hono na enya de keto akra na ye enjoy kakra na ehwe asa na akwara ne bo mo de di. Atia no ya sa na cheson se François Regis Mock na ches Olympique Marseille omo play an pomodi dia ni na boama na madaye pa etimi edema omaya ye from Cameroon e boama hye no ekoye kama so no etimi edema ma munkomo no ye di Abraham etimi edema na Saudi Arabia omo transfer window no enya close o wesere ni mesi kwa mama ye nei the most expensive signing omo ye enso ono ntu ya 90 million euros ne ma na di kan e no ni score mo return Octavio 60 million euros na 60 million euros na ene de eto Marco no so e baba be join omo Ruben Neves so no 55 million euros ene bi et say Alexander Mitrovic so no eto su enuma o check here 52.6 million euros ene afi no Fabinho eto su nsia e no see 46.7 million euros ene afi di so a na wa baba say Serge Milinkovic Savic so no edu 40 million euros ene afi no Gabriel Vega enso edu 40 million euros ene bi enso et say Real Madrid so no 35 million euros eboa manema da yepa etimi aramo na Chelsea aso ya no menya no ties ya January omo de bid bi be run na bid omo de kono omo we say Jonathan David obo adwuma de Mali Metropole no e ba join omo around say 60 million euros na ne no omo we so omo de be run na boa man totiero akoye kama pa etimi aramo na Chelsea ye romo maso ya no na Chelsea la Gazette mami omo players no ene omo cars no omo use no na meze boys ye de bia lutaka omo cars omo dem ne abrabo na omo bono ano edimpa na benchi wo de nie Uweka ni dina rekala no crowd muzapa ka no nyanya de ketwa crowd abranchi wo de no era fe kono Gallagher ne de no so we ni dina muzapa we nkwada kitikiti o ba abo no mo bo ne ade no nyawa akra we na no ada no ba o na ye ya Martin Yakapa kwada idam na karuma se no doy uzo no kra ne de no ye rade adwuma ye din Raheem Sterling so de no la e Chelsea no we kwada na adwuma mo ba na Raskuku na ezema kukura ya no na uzampa entutia no nya de dia poa ma koye pa etimi arma Chelsea for na Malo Gusto si enka no bi ante se omo be peja club no de akọ nya kwa kodu bebi a na edada de sense omo ba nya ba be join team no omo jiri se niam nya shara koye kra etimi afama club no ti Chelsea fans no enya ntoboase no mre na ya bomode ne ayedwuma ne na boa ama ntutia na koye pa etimi arma na United o maso ya no Bruno Fernandes abomode etimi ababa be omo new captain na did in come season national already na there na or expect to sebe boa manema akoye perama club no come no say no abomode ani edi.
This team will never surrender and we will always be in the fight. The season strong. We started with a win, and we will fight for every game to win the games. This team will never surrender, and we will always be in the fight. Obviously, it is a responsibility being a captain of this massive club, but for me, it's more an honor than that. So it won't change nothing. I have to be again everything that I've been in these years that I've been here at the club. I think is being pretty positive. I want to be a better player. And obviously I want to be lifting trophies now that I'm the captain even more, because you get into that moments that make.
Atiano ya command Bruno Fernandes abomode edia tudwa chese si ababa be captain or so abomode na one lifting trophies out on na aboma bibia akoyera Manchester United Ramos Spain kakra BR yes nenko na wie no na Raul Branco Gonzalez former Real Madrid captain obojuma Edmar Real Madrid Castilla no na omone no awie sin komodidi no akwa kodu baby so mo contact Madrid for cheso mabie etimi edia tumu se ne Raul peso kwa kwanya no edo so be kona wakwa kuranante no se Carlo Ancelotti kwa omo consider Raul sana mom no omo si Xabi Alonso omo jiri se juma no ye e wo Bayer Leverkusen no ono mom ne ba be Roma obebo ma ne ma da ye pa etimi ara club na munto komo no omo dia baba be tuja na Barcelona e bo mo dia ni Girona for e ko benkroma on place me no e na join ni omo loan de di kan no na Pablo Torre enyo no ko Eric Garcia enso Rom na omo se ne so omo ne Barca bebo na omo be yusu players we ya mienu a jiso omo twia 300,000 euros e ma Barca eno ye command no e boede ba no edim papa na mom no yesi ya Felix de eno mo ne Atletico Madrid dishia o wa kwanya so beba na wa ba be jam wa bo ejuma na bo ma ne ma da ye pa etimi ara mom no pe no uro ni chemo Sabana Straza na Jose Bayern Munich kom team no omo on holiday Monday no beba mo de na omo return na mo Rafael Guerrero e kokoko Roma ne personal training no no oh ye unse no wapra or so be recover no aba nyaba be jamna wo bo adwuma no na poma ne mada ye pa etimi ara mamu ntia no so ro en koma pa ba beto dwa ano eden papare ti komode da no pe no training no etimi ekọ so na news mu no bia entimi embe se asana no Renedo ebi ti se Memphis Dupaye and afi Koke Resurrection mo and Yose Maria Jimenez so say na Messi kwa supra no manya no omba nyama me join group ni so mo ne omo ebetimi abo adwuma mra ni ti no yaman se ne pemna afi enko abedwafo ye crowd na de akebia ento aso etibe fama mo
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante e me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o hia o be ya de say o be dial *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so enia
Vodafone. Sompa. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landing of Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrade office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Efia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress. So ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms, any sales depots a ewo Ghana fana nyina. Frɛ 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gamepackgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
What's so dumb? Ama, afei na wo hwehwe odo.
Oh, medofopa. Ntawantawa bi wo ne udofo ntemu ana.
Oh, odo somimo.
Odo somimo.
Oh, Jay.
Son se medofa.
Oh.
Jumedie ibawa kwemu yawada na jubia. Efri nundu dikosi dumienu. Ewo Sompa 93.1 FM.
Kaise eye odo somimo.
Right, yes, I'm on my about the Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa TV, full time. Jumadi and ye guswa ye de ebro ewo Jumadi so na mpempenso ye birthday special and sana mabedwa fobe Roma onya Roma sa Ricardo Varas atena sasuna Michael akomia the sports mzaya atena se Collins Atapoku eso atena se amantwa odi on birthday na kwa Friday die say NC ko yen twa babo every Prisla Kondua ene Prisla birthday na monfa Prisla to so am nice one ene Prisla Kondua birthday Prisla they say you am happy birthday graduate e o Kintampo nursing training na de kan nyina say Erade Nyankopon inshaw no ntene no nchiro na na e wa wo de don sabe ka bia no enye inshaw every Prince Asamoah Kobi of Stylish Radio bibiani onema happy birthday saso ena yenhwe yankase nua ye fe ni Johnny De Baba and every Johnny eso birthday eno no na hwe Johnny De Baba na ni suit na no dene ene ne hairstyle na ene Johnny ya ma happy birthday Radu Nyankopon shaw na no manyina enkoyi eso emfama na bibia so enko said the open or one kasa wade nyina ama Sonia na se ma happy birthday ewe dwumadie so ene ye wo Doris Pokuya Twumasi Doris esu edina wodane na Doris Pokuya Twumasi am happy birthday. We are strategic communication student level 400 at University of Education Winneba and ne ewa woda yankasa ya de nyina Sheikh Tofik ese ya ma happy birthday ewe dwumadie so eso emfa ma Erade nka hona said you see doni pa wo siri kire obia no gusu stressa ena Benedicta obi ya bosompem ene Benedicta birthday obi ya bosompem no yes obi ya Nyankopon shop ma otrunkwa happy birthday we every year Inspector Frank Owusu Yaboa aka Abiola wo Sofulai police station kachiro obi brother no enti obi ya happy birthday ohwe Inspector se yanka nchiro se no kreni nyame anim nie hono ma bi hye na koma mu pa na de obi bia so no ose Erade ahomban bo Erade nsira ena edemao saso ana yewo Opon Kofi Daniel ene Opon Kofi Daniel birthday Opon happy birthday Erade Nyankopon nsiraw no mo ho ban na de obeye bia na enye kaye emfa emao we adwuma example farmers wo edweso ben traffic light no na de kan say Erade Nyankopon emo ho ban na bibia nya kama na na kwam sentence o Sofulai o kwada so sojalai ene se emfa happy birthday emfa emao na Mike Edu and then Mike Edu birthday Mike Edu do from ML24 and then birthday yet say we aspire for Fericrom constituency so babe mrasebedwani hodama MPP amanyukoro to Mike Edu ya ma happy birthday Erade Nyankopon sharpa na wakoma sa de no entimi emramu ma Isaac Opoku Jamfi Isaac Edini birthday ne ha minu aketo no na oko school Golden State Academy Abrepo Broni Chrome JHS1 when and what 14 years na wo atafo tikese e ho na wote one kasa wo brother wo onene edi agro friend no Isaac etu ahene do afre na wusu ene se ma happy birthday erade nyankpon mo ho ban emfama abusua ni nyina ene upiem a ene me ba birthday kane o papa wo but o papa ni oni be gina papa na mu ya ma trinkwa eye akwada friend Annabel nana akuasewa Annabel nana akuasewa ne na wadi 2 years wo Kamina Barracks 6BN block 66 wo Tamale na yebegina papa busuana na mu ene o maame ene busuana nyina ma trinkwa pa awurade mo ho ban maye na onfa wonsi o na taban kese na asemaye happy birthday ena yewo bedide so ewo Atebu Star FM or newscaster ne so birthday happy birthday awurade nyankopon shana bia enye kama na yewo Ajewa Millicent Ajewa so edi ne birthday ne ewo nso atre udu nso atre camp ena wote do na from ame ya ma happy birthday awurade nyankopon enhira pa na bibia eso enye kama eso emfama ena yankasa ye nua so a ye frɛ no kinetic happy birthday normal enkoi emfa ema the don kinetic awurade nyankopon sha akomia ene bibia ekoi
nyame adomahwe ni experience bibia
ya da nyame ase ene Friday
of course ene Friday ye ni nkonwo kakra na abudia bi ne stories no ma na ye clear say Saudi omu pro league ne transfers ni nyina aba na wiye na in contest as to the level of project omu pese omu ye no e pese ye wrum kakra na ye hwe nyoma bi any age limit omu fire the clubs omu spend a lot anyhow attendance improve in some recent times when it comes to the Saudi Pro League after the level of investment omu league in him. Ye benya ne se ba ko China de ni bia na say omu invest a lot of money in bringing in a lot of stars to the Chinese league actually the ni na ye dey ejiguye. We've seen key players from top European sides odidi nkomo ni bia na se ewiem na se call background checks ni bia agents ahodo na bigi to me say course na e ba omu so nyina no e ba nipa no be friend the first no be busa na say woni agisa na so pese onye sika bebira na agent ni bi so be friend so omu busa o say project na say we say ne pese ye within the clubs no saying ana city hu no wani je hu so beba na say wani je hu so beba there were some of them omu falala and also formalize omu approach towards these clubs in terms of getting the players. There were some of them so omu kasa no makache so ba ska say ana abenya ene we an account ni awire scan dey ayede e dey atum no ba be see akan na dey amomo but in contest and generality no ade e be hu ni nyina na ye se league no e betimi agina na so se de ani wi hwese be dey ye be hu na na se entimi anye dey enyina na so na ba na wi you definitely understand say which class and a bomb more money on spending a lot when it comes to the Saudi league. Now most of the PIF and ASEC the fans now most supporting most of these clubs now you decided to now own your more ties or allegiance to the royal family. Now in this particular table or via the Athletic you be when say club was spending a lot in the Saudi Pro League in Al Hilal.
Okay.
Or spending 353.1 million euros. And or spending the otosu mienu Al Ali. And if you say Al Ali, I'm gonna put so much money. They are qualify for more division 1 no last season. And they are mobile league in this season.
Okay.
I'm gonna spending 200.2 million euros.
Hey, no more discount room
in the transfer market. Then no babenya Anna said baby a Cristiano Ronaldo one. Almost spending 165.1 million euros. Then Al Ittihad Karim Benzema mo omuna kepo Mohamed Salah no. So if they had bought Mohamed Salah come be shoot about that Al Hilal solo.
Okay.
But man to Salah omuna spending 122.4 million euros and son of Steven Gerrard, Al Ittifaq, Al Shabab, Al Tawoun, Al Fayha Munyina to so in this particular order. But the 4 key clubs now omu Madrid so me support omu push omu amo metimi a dominant force in the league you know. And they omu prices ni omu spending that so and Al Hilal Neymar and a copy up ni nyina in terms of omu spending spree. Now only the amount of money Al Hilal for now so omu nyina 75% of the club is owned by the PIF founder omu ewo Saudi Arabia. Now you move on Aluta and only be hu ni say o compare omu to most of the net spenders in other leagues we are nyina say na table netie. In terms of clubs almost spending a lot we are nyina global. Al Hilal tope in terms of net spend. Net spend no be catch us say net sales no what net purchase there at the film.
Okay.
Now eno ne hwe wan ma Al Hilal de ni gina 351.7 million euros. Paris Saint-Germain etos second in 200 million euros .5. Al Ahly etos 200.2. Chelsea etos 9 197.1. Arsenal etos enum 167.0. Anna say about 165.1. Manchester United about 151.4. Then Manchester City 126.6. Tottenham Hotspur 126.4. Bournemouth 126.2. Real Madrid 122.5. Al Ittihad 121.6. Liverpool 101. Newcastle 108. Burnley 107. Then Aston Villa 60.5. Nottingham Forest 57.2. Brentford 54.8, Benfica 49.4, AC Milan 45.0. Out of area simunyina na see top 20 highest net spenders are EPL on Kwama say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
clubs
of the EPL. It goes on to confirm the financial muscles of the EPL. But notwithstanding any other thing, Saudi Arabia they are no more penomosaka. Because and then you can't spend this in 20 and 20 clubs. I must spend a lot and also must spend this cabibrina. Now. And they almost Saudi Arabia no kwano, almost 4 clubs no this kakushim near day. Ishim.
Okay.
Why is French Liga?
Me who?
Italian Serie A, yes,
AC Milan. Baku.
Portuguese League, yes,
Baku Benfica.
Spanish La Liga, yes, Madrid pay. Where is the financial power of the Spanish La Liga? It's normal from and Saudi Arabia for no actual more dominance in this aspect. Quickly, didn't project na kama. In the 2021 season, they behind closed doors because of COVID-19. But already this particular graph now, it tells you the level of the Saudi Arabian League in the qualifiers year day. As of 2015-2016, na average attendance will league in him is 6,906.
Okay.
In 2016-2017, na average attendance was Saudi Pro League in him is 6,980. 2017-2018 about form kakra. Legina 5,726. Then a PJ in 2018-2019 to 8,555. Then 2019-2020, a teba from kakrebi and a kosro kakra, it must say tran kakrebi 8,479. Then in 2019-2020, near say because of COVID-19, no, it had to go down. Then 2021 and also no COVID-19 closed doors. It's no. Over here, 2019-2020, no, Abrase nya when 2020-21, no, ya nya bi wahase. It's any graph ni. So move straight to 2021-2022. Which is na attendance need na 7,885. Definitely less so better because COVID-19. I think the stadium kakane
yeah.
But share 2022-2023 last season, need na 9,339. This time around, no, omatime maintaining the momentum no apejam kakra 9,392 season inquiry.
Let's have 2022-2023 Ronaldo factor no.
Ronaldo factor no.
Eye adwuma ho.
Eye adwuma apejam straight from 2021-2022 now. From 7,000 straight to 9,000 average attendance. It's a no match. Most of the players now say go other clubs and so there. You fully understand. Now, my folk can say, oh, we would say Kukura Fonko no motor mobile league in him. League they say ebegu. Young talents ben or munyomo. Way ages of foreign players are ya tom maba the Saudi Pro League in him.
Okay.
Now, omo age 21 no aside age 21 bracket no eba akupe.
Okay.
22, I'm talking about foreign players, okay. Not Saudi for nankasa foreign players. 22 omunim, 23 ebinim, 24 4 players, 25 2 players, 26 peak years of every single footballer 7.
Okay.
27 peak years 4. 28 peak years 6. 29 peak years 6. 30 over declining kakra. By peak nisi 30 8. Then from 31 year drop. So 31 year 8. 32 4. 33 1. 34 1 2 ka 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 are you talking about 14 players and no decline but more pick no more pijamu ni na akono 8 plus 6 14 20 24 31 then 33 then 37 38 foreign good players are age one side
nto ya ni name ya adwene se
project no mo ye no enye tete kwa ana age na broso they are getting and next season it will be crazy
nti akoma oni name ya adwene se ogidi se players every Saudi league no league no bit my better than the French league no
of course I agree in context how many players will have to move to the French league more pick now Saudi Arabia beat that particular stage so omunya players do pick bi mo they will have to come and play there but the French league to play a better now so top 5 European leagues ni so Real Madrid mo na Manchester United mo only pick probably the French league team be about some pen Paris Saint-Germain will need to even convince players with money before they come and what check here Paris Saint-Germain they pay and the team such players no Monaco bet me player 100,000 euros week biya Olympic Lyon bet me player 100,000 euros week biya no on team so the French league will suffer from what Saudi Arabia is also doing and most of these key players will have to go there because money is there and project na sabe clear say now project ni nyan kokora for project a project age wo wafa we be make sure so betimi I enjoy it Luther Saudi phone where data and numbers backing what they've done this particular summer in terms of way. Then lastly, Thierry Henry won the first game as a coach for the French under 21. And no more winning by 4-1. Now, you look at Thierry Henry as a player, how successful he became, and as a coach, in your man young farmer as head coach. Sompa. Of Monaco, and Fabregas more guys, what training guys last year, but Kobe Faso Bejina when asa. Boys in the said, born in ball park, so then has a head coach. Assistant coach for the Belgium national team, very good for them. But now he goes back to the old system, trying to make sure that the project of the French national team never pay that. Now, a very difficult so when team is over Walker final a few way. Now the following year, there was a coach up there, and coach and a group stage, you know, free. But the French national team was able to go to another final, not because of how our musity in terms of music kasema and quality keke, but they have a tangible project with enough men to make sure say at the end of the day no level of promotion be consistent no many key players. Last time Omoje World Cup na nya Pogba ne Kante mu na ebo omubo Euros finals na nya Blaise Matuidi mu na ebo and then team na timia revolve from Rafa Varane and Samuel Umtiti and then asesa amomonja new key players within the setup Andre Rabiot or Renan Tchouameni mo and ebo as the players the more and you could see and all lineup and no modibo game now you bear witness said the French project no it is not something to joke about. Now in this particular setup Reste, Maxima, Malo Gusto, Lukeba, Melen, Lepina, Ugochukwu, Zari Emery, Rancheki, Kalimwendo, Bracola o PSG, Rancheki o Lyon, Zari Emery Bowman PSG as a starter, Ugochukwu or Chelsea, Malo Gusto and on about Chelsea. Right? So you look at the level of the under 21 and their key players, most of them will be starting in senior national teams of other nations. France in your pre-Euros.
Okay.
So the quality in contest, Thierry Henry onim how to maintain pressure at a young stage. Thierry Henry was part of the French national team when they went to France in 1998. No, sir. Now you look at the involvement and how when you into the national team, how we handle no. He goes to this side, look at players with more quality players are more clubs, trying to help them say they'll have an easy path into the senior team. And the Colomani Munebo Beka Krawe Musu Nebeba. Okay. No one will take over the national team. So France is not going down now. This ABR Oma manage talent ni. But if they should consistently do what they are doing, Luther, I think Euros, you know, say 5 out of 5. When we are Mayo. When we another batch, when we a bet World Cup 2030 batch, already they are sorted for World Cup 2026 batch, and they are sorted for Euro 2024 batch. It is Thierry Henry. Say Hanoso and Fadi and Sena Sube Ebeshi pa.
That's a coach in the one M1.
I say Bishop Mukamu players manu kɔ na mu kura nya mayo ɔmo nyina gu akyire ɔmo nyina prepare gu akyire
talent.
And France have managed. This is what England wants to do. It was the England team over the ball under 21 final now. Levy Cowell, this guy for PSV by Chelsea winger, Bishop, this Chelsea winger from PSV, Adibia Noni Madueke. So you look at these couple of players are key players within the Curtis Jones from Liverpool. It is where England under 21 for almost winning ban. She almost winning ban the trophy under 21. It almost tries almost to grow into the game. Said a baby free one of for a day. Ebeba. And already within their setup, they can rise Munina Womo Musa for the Munina, Marcus Rashford Munina, Bukayo Saka Munina Woma, age no mafa. So it is interesting to understand that now most of the European clubs have also set the standards. They are also most set the standards. They will have to come back and become dominant in the world.
Me da say Michael Akumia the sports museum why adwuma no pay asidan ka besen aba na afisem no Black Stars game no abehwem kakra de amay na mum papa poko atena say Ricardo Varas eso wa ha na won channel say ye wo eye Dimpa Heba Mr and ye wo Dimpa Gasto Mr and ye wo Menso Plus Mr eye drobia unya bia bebo papa na ye ka Dimpa Menso Plus Mr na e man e modia obabu nsa emojane mayi ubunsa wotiya wankasa wayi fio no ma bi afifro ba ya na nya akono ma wonsan ka bi ebesiesu amaye obasima wankasa woni beje ho saso ne Augusto Missa obu ada bia o se ha no niyam kru unya Augusto Missa ne bi ebetu ase dia ma ho ene ye wo Dimpa Heba Missa waya no wonu nya ode malaria jowa boso that's why bohu waya mre saso na se typhoid fever how unya Dimpa Heba Missa ebetuma abo tutu sa yare na se e dia ma miamia we nyina no do ani kire ho a ubenya bi ato ye wo Mr. Heba Ukumase Jeff Heba Mankasim Pena Heba e Cape Coast ene onim die Heba Otakrade na na boache Heba o Accra ene bi Otema e Coast Farmers wa Shama from 0248 778 899 0248 778 899 o from Ombejo so na nkomo bia no uno mu ni ye Roxy Travels na Roxy Travels say an kan cho say obesa utukwan o kobo football e wa bridge na ye football na peso tu kwan e kobo team bia omo de obekọ obeso okoko ye adwuma na okosua ade wa bridge a Roxy Travels ene do ebekọ na omo se omo pe adwumayefo benfo so health worker omo de okọ companies a wodo de abeda omo so omo pe workers e ma omo so e carpenter ni we Tyler we mason ni adwuma bia onim ye no so ko school wan ko school yo ba we bema e mayam hyeso Roxy for say oba omo de obekọ ama bibia ye kama so open air travel passport open birth certificate so ena open bia private jet bi there up and downs bi no ne nyina Roxy for so betuma boa ama bia so aye kama so na person ko school wa broach na mum hia scholarship a on be boa ma won sa ka hwo ma kira ko Kumase a asafu VIP station or abrosana Golden Home Touch ewo mu no ho na be hu omo Accra so mo kaso CP omo ni Methodist Church ene die nhwe from ewo 0244 613 237 0244 613 237 and we are Accra number no and a Kumase number is 0557 607 375 o from Ombejo so na bibia aye kama papa poku anya atena se papa boko de
bibia boko
e da nyame ase eno bre ye de nyanso nyame de neso akyeye
aba no so de ne aba
ya be ye adwuma na Friday
pa dedim Fiede nyame esifom
Fiede nyame oya de ye nenso
we are too much we are too much like too much then pacho was in biaka ye bi wa simbi a person o kan it oh then now we ye nia braba the man ko ne ba mesa ba Mr. and Mrs. Brefo Boati mo re show yi mo ne afia me cha mo nyina me gidi se mo ho ye na eno ade course wo fia dada na semi chief anywhere mo fa report no man beside the course ni
ai odoso me mu dwumadie no
biutum o ka kwa se wa mo se sen ai mo fa si fa pen ni paper na fa book no me hey mo fa si aha sa tuwe no ma ke o mo to mami
Pokia straight and na adwo asafo so say black and white.
Let's offer a course stadium na.
Yeah, Kremo ni o mi ni o nti.
Kremo ni o ti do mo ya ni. Odo so mi mu
na so me ha.
Na so me ha.
Adwuma di asase nra o. Ya bo ho
da be ni ye.
Ya wada bia nwumre ho pa. Ya wada bia nwumre no ndu. Ekosi se dumienu be bo 10 p.m. to 12 a.m.
10 bia.
Quick.
Obia hebi. Abu Dhabi so better.
Ya to aba by force next week Thursday
special game. Abu Dhabi ba. Yes, na special game.
So na efe
because
so no muso de.
O ka position na bie boy. Na dey na uye. Ntino.
Oh nice.
And then you me of am na Samoa ba. Me the report ni nia be man. Na dey won bia no.
Wafa kom ni nkyere mu.
Me ka cho se sa obe adwuma na obi aye din ti wa. Men ka se we dey oyo no ye. Na da me ka o se na ko dey ofa dey e na de bia what is wrong?
Pokua na Abu Dhabi ba cho microphone o be kasa na what me. Enra was the maiden show. Maiden asa
Yeah.
Over show na nyebete o.
Thursday Pam Abuba guest of honor.
They can say basic cream. A show be a kasa about the relationship.
Your relationship.
Your relationship.
What are you saying?
What are you talking about?
The new relationship we experience.
Experience.
Na
brokia touch oda.
Biada.
Odo so mi mu no ade so so me ha.
Na so me ha.
Odo so mi mu.
Na so me ha.
Odo so mi mu.
Na so me ha.
Yakobia. Next week Thursday.
I was in Grangube.
Papa yankoyanim.
Rodri is here kind of Manchester City and la selección española. Now la selección española is Spain national team. One of the greatest we've seen in recent times. Until 2008 near first Spain, perennial underachievers. Cometh the hour, cometh the man. A boy born on the southern banks of the Melendenes River. No, by BPM or Austria. And Switzerland 2008 Luis de la Fuente Nancy anon na coach team no ne yanko pa ba po nya no football me Fernando Torres. Spain saying was Torres.
Sir,
he changed everything about Spain.
I'm football na say
their history in football. Fernando Torres necessary. 4 years earlier, na Torres ama Spain obi ehun so omunie de omotie no sa no motie omoba tournamenta la selección española viva España ombe bo to antem na omwo players nso bon say team tournament ne ko ba bi na bon so obi ahwo mo nkofo de bi omoba omo didin enso ne abehwo mo, but this guy changed it. One moment Javi okay, the technical study report of the 2008 championship. Omo frɛ Javi El Metronome.
I didn't hear.
Or the conductor of a band. Obobi, Obetu Otto.
O the buy look and fan say Bianca Quemaster no Jine.
Quemaster on the Jine Muchesa or fa. O Pejani Tiano who say Philip Lam about the name just 2 steps. Not 2 passing 2 because no Torres D. He was about one of the greatest in the game then. Sompa Liverpool in the first season 07-08. Over English Premier League no or see Obiana. And no this half form no call European Championship no. In the Torres go share in that tournament 1-0 no. So share and a balak mo de no ko ball pool. That moment changed Spain's history. On Beje 2010 World Cup no. Iniesta furthered their history by making them first-time champions of the world.
And it's Africa so.
And Sana 2012. Torres Korea, that time no Sompa. But on the matter, they were the top scorers of that tournament. They came to that tournament without Puyol and David Villa. Again, he showed up. When a tournament at Spain, it was a Torres Hassan, no more false 9. With Vicente Del Bosque.
Okay.
But he changed it. Baby, a road refino, who football development coach saa no body abenyini ene Rodri kasa afa Saudi Arabia ho in Spain send be obi nkotra be nka say ya twisting yenti Rodri a Manchester City no nensa ma oka
complicado hacer un análisis evidentemente que el fútbol europeo pierde con esta situación y bueno, al final es una opinión muy particular. Los jugadores que deciden salir a estas ligas, totalmente comprensible, evidentemente, por las cantidades de dinero que están ofreciendo y eso yo lo llevaría más a un tema personal. Evidentemente que nosotros, europeos, por así decirlo, pues no nos gusta tanto, ¿no? Y imagino que habrá que controlar de alguna manera, ¿no? Esta fuga, como dices tú, de jugadores, de talento, porque es verdad que al principio parecía que solo eran jugadores veteranos en el ocaso de su carrera, pero estamos viendo que no, que ya hay jugadores de mi edad, incluso jóvenes, que están optando por ir para allá. Entonces, bueno, para opiniones, ¿no? Todas son respetables.
Oshe Rodri chia RFEF. RFEF near Spanish Football Federation.
Okay.
Real King, Real Madrid, Real Sociedad, Real Betis. So Real Federación Española de Fútbol. Rodri Sam ni say Europao. Na in Spanish I'm Rodri. Gran con el jugadores for Española. One of the great players of the current Spanish generation. O see young Fatabon to Saudi Arabia for so. Now, yes, I want to football. There should be control on their spending. So, European Commission in penny form of your bone. Or man here and you be and found one best football. Baby, you free ban. We football.
Sompa
There be our banners who football. You catch them, sir, bro, for you in your month. I say.
Because I come out some baby, I say, Tama. Na almost no to edis kakese to top player. I don't know, mama condemn.
Sir, and count Diane.
I say contract any
job. Sophia, we did Nimo Nimyan Sadia. Sanity. About Timbe. About
Man City.
Scan free.
If you saw
good. Yes, I show 115 charges. FFP. Me say. Country now, boss, England. Almost spend it 3 times the money the entire Saudi Pro League spent this transfer window. The English Premier League spent 3 times the money they spent. Timira, abofuno person mo kasoro de bia nti sa o ben na ya asem asante se o sen o yonko a
o town
asem ne tintin I don't know. But the massive be we all Latin American term na em so o ma start o mo qualifiers o mo 10 countries. O mo 10. First number the 4.5 never. Me sure say we dey betu am.
Yeah.
Good. Now this is it.
But I am in person be can be bia can 4.5 no be because obi ntiase.
I would agree afache. Now mom me homo dem say e amine enai.
Okay.
No yes mo qualify
automatically.
Na ba ko na kan Asia for na ko ball
playoff.
Na no na Colombia ko ball ya. Omo lose omo intima qualify.
Okay.
Mi re bibi. Continent ni e kakra bi. Omo nso bebre. Amine na kra no so. Nanso so mo sha say so mo si o makan na e ya na ni bre won pa. If it's a omo bemben say ugina Uruguay utimi tia Brazil asase so esa tia Argentina asase so yo baby bia omo miense hia yeah ntino emrusu bibiri so Uruguay nofa Artigas so say na World Cup ne kan omo border Brazil Uruguay Croatia ha border Paraguay esa border Argentina na Argentina's influence in Latin American football goes beyond the quality of football Lionel Messi and then a pound for no airball. I am world champions. Mira, major da jene break akra na matutu say. Ene Argentina ball no mo ye wo ho no. Omo free park no so I say coach sankasa no. Omo export bi. Mira Pochettino o Argentina ni.
Yeah.
O coach o ya de pa. Na say the why no tattoo ya o ha adwin bebebe o coach chili no. The omo jiji sa.
Jorge Sampaoli.
O Argentina ni. Na omo of ankasa any Marcelo Bielsa, the headmaster himself. Mire bibi. Amaidu and AC akan. Now hear me TV so a. Amaidu no emu so. Okaya want to say coaches no. Omo Argentina for 7 out of 10. You and I mean come masamuwa. Omaya omoye decorated omaji nkruwa do do power continent so Uruguay.
Okay.
Coach Marcelo Bielsa
from Argentina.
Argentina na nkasa no Uruguay omo na omaje pe Copa America. Coach.
I know Scaloni.
And no Colombia boy. Colombia boy editia Venezuela. Na enra match no omo share 1-0 mira. Na Colombia coach sisia Enesre no. E friend Nestor Lorenzo or Argentina ni. Na Colombia yes ombetimi abo World Cup etosunsun. Their 7th World Cup. Na Rafael Santos Borre enra on share the only goal at the Colombia. Yebenya goal no. Na uye goal na to say baby omo omo to pass no. They na omo panichewa and say on the Oma connection and he duly obliged. The cross and then the delivery was graciously turned in. They are born in free back. Why na Rafael Santos Borre and the ball no koy. Na Colombia it's an football no mo de come asem e your man e be before any abrofo e diafra wo mpa. Omo share goal ni wie no. Omo be chain ni omo chain 2014 World Cup no e Brazil. Omo de asato so. Every time they score, omo share World Cup back no 2014 di no na one Camilo Zuniga on the Cuadrado omo na di animu. Then the young boy then number 10 no so baby Jan James Rodriguez. And then look at Colombia putting up a dance. 1962 they were there. 1990 on by, 94 on by, 98 on by. After 98 Colombia made BM until 2014. And then 2018 on by, 2022 on mama. Until Colombia are playing to come back. And in Santos Boy, in Luis Diaz, Obibeka say, Nestor Lorenzo, our young players are more on the team anymore. Or the experienced players say James Rodriguez Mbefra, and then they will come. Now they've got it right. Lionel Messi go no share round. Edna join Luis Suarez when it comes to the all-time top scorers in the World Cup qualifiers or Latin America.
Okay,
it's great. I mean, she said, go no how many times? That's incredible. It's incredible. It's the goalkeeper and they say, and you are Mura. You be na ABBA. It's his world and you are living in it. He's a gift to football. Now, Oyema Niefe, all free park, the entire Buenos Aires, El Monumental, they were applauding him. You have to, because in Kofu and it was that great. And Romero said they were finding it difficult to break Ecuador until the greatest player in their generation stood up for them, and he actually did. So in your Messi record in the graphics now, once I feel no joining Luis Suarez, and in fact, it has started well. Paraguay ball draw, but Colombia and Argentina are one of my early pickings alongside Brazil. Brazil name our papillon. I mean, they are the early pickings. 29. We are enjoying history, and Messi, I'm happy say, maybe generation we muno and all ball. Now Ireland for about France and Ra.
Yeah.
Almost the Messi, Jesse, could do France for nothing because France and Argentina show me World Cup final. Now Ireland fans in the show me no more pack.
Munyirum homo dear. Yabeda papa poku ase se ono so de ne dia ba enche Ricardo Varas obetene nka so ono so de ne dia ewram kakrakra eso ejame se se Game Park Limited Game Park for se nka nchro se ene ompese obia de ho bia sikani na so timu sampa onye tibon kosofo eno nti de omo ye ne se de eda bia no join Adum TV a won se anopa about 9 am a omo ye draw no Adum TV about 12 noon a omo draw na nwumre 6 pm omasaye ni nyina say offer 9 numbers from 0 to 9 na 0 to 9 one kasa for 4 numbers ope na sa 4 numbers no enya drop say wom usika ye bebre usika untimi ninwi ketua bi so na de betwa wo na be kama ne fa phone o tablet o laptop o machine bia nim so wo no fa download wo app no anaso ko Play Store bet ma download wo ma bibia ye kama no anaso be www.gamepackgames.com anaso dial star 946 asha network bia no na wa follow na bibia aye kama na no ma so ko uni 18 years a me ba twomfa hunwuram enkonko gigim bi ma bibia eso enkosi eno de dawa ye de mamo ene e wodwumadi no so ma wo say Ricardo Varas atena se Varas boko de
fine I want
nyame adom ye share na o show so na asa check akra
then say chiro e da bia ni na mo sa
nebo me wobam na Royal Foam Ghana Limited for say yen kan chobe say ene oda da yie enante wani na waka say me dai madam kon so me so da ye na ponche bi no na ntwe bi e pamo me da bi Royal Foam for say ene omoma tres no we carpenter ni hotel adwuma na wo ye na wo pese wo client and our customers ba no mo be da yie a eno an so benya Royal Foam for omoma tres ni bi na bia kama auto a ye che pillow smie kama eno achi ni discount esa wo so enti fa ho bom na omo branch bia no ko okwas me pe Royal Foam mattress ni bi eno na beboa me so ye carpenter ni o se open mattress de du dwuma bi o won saka bia ebetuma boa pa from sesi wo 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 o from na nkobo bia no madi na bia ye kama Royal Foam rest assured Ricardo yankwe
Luther first of all communicate that come here say was set it to na mama with massive number be kano
sir
the ones that were good in deeper into the Saudi Pro League transfers near there no me happy say me African and there isn't being say the Michael Minalo na lead this idea in tell many age because all her the real animasi kwa amount for want to compare China there no any Saudi for there no but this is something ya planet ya to na sikata ya jiri and aye adwuma no this person is someone of Nigeria and so when you ma what draw their mom adwuma oya he's someone among for can say Chelsea women's team ene or more no he's greater part of it over Chelsea in Kuala now or be a leader be a captain or Chelsea team Rhys James captain now he's attributed to adwuma ho and so where players are how do Chelsea signing or during his era na adwuma oya and Hazard money Kevin De Bruyne moon nano is attributed to this man to on a boy to sign about Chelsea and on no free Chelsea akoya adwuma kakra Monaco no awuram was Saudi Arabia na nyoma oya na yade a konkan so here adwuma oya was Saudi hona ade e kom ni say e sika no and e coin to players ni bottom not transfers no more no because o che babu year stories no players o ma top ni come to obi anu oduru 100 million mark kra e 1990 60 and those prices no and some prices so by Europa e normal prices side prices no by Europe normal prices 90 million for Neymar yet to Declan Rice
100
yet to sai Caicedo say it is Uba Europe sa 90 million is our prices are ye dey top players Neymar ma cost the one a normal price and ni nano is being led by our friend Michael Milano and oye Juma and I'm happy some African but be African you are o make exploit oye Juma ye bonabasu biano I'm very happy and so Michael Milano boy Juma and so team this brings me into Neoma ACC or German national team name Hansi Flick is someone na German for no high hopes for him Abraham more pointing for the German national team because of Neoma no with the Bayern Munich team Obi for 19 months he won 7 trophies and he wins was something so he played 86 games or we need 70 or draw 8 elusu 7 no lusu set trophies or because he won 7 trophies for Bayern Munich and so when the winning percentage and no more in the Bundesliga alone we games or boy any winning Neoma unyai and so Bundesliga anymore it tells you more and he's only second to refer Pep Guardiola. And when it comes to Pep Guardiola, we need him to say Najuma. Social Pepper, he played 102 games in the Bundesliga. Unya 2.52 per point. Game bia unya 7 points nunya. And Flick also second with 58 games, 2.45 points per game. So Nyoma and he won 7 trophies in 19 months. And the sound no one way in German for GD is a John of the man baba after Senate Joaquin Vacoji World Cup 2014, World War 2018 World Cup, no man koye and farmano. But over a 8, no more be Amazon de Barbon Tia, a bit Mia Sagari, a bit Massa Anetia, Eddie Gu Hansi Flegarim. because pressure on so that because result name cost the osipe nyomo ya Bayern Munich no over Germany wontimi yen sa because in the 24 games we win 12 pair and the last 5 matches cried and this is the video. It's a video or more no ma can nyoma course what German dressing room or wa brano run eli drum edoma ejuma and it tells you that there's this unity in the team and it's something abua alidim ama branch FN Goretzka wanya call up into the national team. It do look at the video ni kakra the Prince best activity the interview ni kakra ba the twice we are the best also.
Männer machen euch fertig, wir machen dann einen Kreis, alle zusammen. Ich nehme euch mal ein bisschen mit in mein Gefühlswelt. Hier bei der WM. Eine Erinnerung, die für immer für mich bleiben wird. Gib mal. Die Frage ist, wie sie bleiben wird.
Die deutsche Mannschaft verliert gegen Japan.
Das ist keine Mannschaft, wie ich mir das so vorstelle, ganz ehrlich.
Ich gebe dir an, weil du sagst nie ins Gesicht.
Männer, wir müssen den töten, wir müssen das zweite machen. Ich habe heute noch nicht gut geschlafen, weil wir keine Unterstützung haben aus Deutschland.
Das, was ich erwarte, dass wir diese Themen 100% ausblenden können.
Was war? Scheißegal, Männer. Wir haben nur über Politik gesprochen.
Das ist schon extrem, muss ich ganz echt sagen.
Ich erwarte von jedem Einzelnen, dass er am Ende der Krieger ist. Wir laufen müssen, laufen wir. Wir leiden müssen, dann leiden wir. Komm jetzt, Alter, wo ist dein Anspruch? 100% alle zusammen.
Aber mich nicht voll, ich sag's dir.
Wir müssen so weitermachen. Fahr mal nach Hause.
Mir brodelt's.
Schau, es geht los hier. Das ist wie eine Weltmeisterschaft.
Was ist mit dieser Mannschaft los?
Diluta, share video here. The last time a Germany hosted a tournament in one country was 2006 World Cup. After the World Cup, na ni je okrum ho. Obi a forms, obi a trap pictures because I need jaba. Because in that tournament, winning against Sweden, winning against Argentina, only to lose to Italy in the semi-finals. Eventually, winning a World Cup. No, but this time around, no, in less than 10 months, Omu host Euro 2024. But suddenly I heard intimacy because team no is not in good shape. The last 5 matches, Omu winning 1 pair.
Omu lucky players,
Omu lucky players. Yes, something a Hansi Flick a lucid dressing room no. In the video, Okase he's surprised. This is not the team he imagined. Or what about German national team? No, this is not the team I imagined. Honestly, Yako World Cup. Nyoma say near Kasana coach could stand in front of the team. No, because great team when your team will imagine. I tell you, say running who no air coso.
That's on one air collapse.
On one air collapse, no. Come and so in another picture. Eka say one more be instructions, but according to me instructions, neto. Omo game on boy before we call up, you know. Goretzka ko say after the game no man said am kuyi from enunti one fair Goretzka. And Goretzka abeka say Neoma all can fan who say or spending too much on the ball no ya he's very much disappointed in the man. And the trailer say Neoma air course with German national team nima and ne say video ni about yeah this is just a trailer.
Okay.
What trailer mu say Neoma kuyi Neoma nti omo go into detail na video na nkasa ba Neoma ba bonteno maybe worse maybe 2 games are lining up so run so when team win ya line managers bi omo ba be ye adwuma da momo to say niggas mamono omo aka no and then when team win game against Japan omo ye German nemesis when they come to the World Cup omo can you film the last one no and France when team win these 2 games automatically you don't qualify when team win these 2 games now then Najima e ba be bono
and Benun ho for ofi Bayern Munich abeje the national job nana.
We always say it's a number city or club side no and or the national side.
Okay.
For the club side you get players you want. And about Germany for the German Bundesliga and no of course what Germany no. Bayern Munich player be adams over Bayern Munich. In the year I turn their man so would deliver in 19 months. No one was superb. Okay. But German national team you call people, you assemble them in a very short time. Not the and it seems aside you know in team M1 and now it's leading to Area no Najima Ebabe and Tomo Gini Friwa. I wouldn't be surprised because any new man kasa the mano a Jumana warrior and new more Bayern Munich no ban it was very much say over German but he's not performing. Don't Pamona Yada Bemia. Luther Kalim Bapa maturity is not about inferior duawadi.
Sir.
Yes. No more course with Mbappe during this transfer window or be call Real Madrid onko ye man training, ye training camp, ye pre-season, ye man and everything no. Waba and he's delivering. Yesterday he made assist to Shoman in the goal no share no. And so the last 14 games wabo for club and country one she go be assist. And it amounts to 19 goals involvement in the last 14 games. And I'm saying this because over the age and then no my corner far Mbappe who this transfer window. When the team no train or buy even in the Paris Saint-Germain team he is delivering. Now or captain of France national team. This is a national team they've had great captains. They've had people that they are way ahead of killing Mbappe Lutin's army. But today, when they come to this team, we have Olivier Giroud. For pedigree and Nyoma, amount for a year in football, yeah, both football. We've seen how Olivier Giroud. But now, Mbappe nearly did that team. And he's performing. And so now, each and every time we get the opportunity to lead the team, he shows that he's a leader and people look up to him. So I think that he's someone, amount for Nimse Obeye Nyoma. Amount for Kani Subayasem. But each and every time we begin parking, so the Subana don't change, no the board, and that's what I'm amount for. And I think the people around him know they are doing a lot of good things around defending killing Mbappe. And if he keeps on now, definitely he'll be one of the greatest players at football and so to be home.
Me da say no Ricardo Varas now ten and can I Facebook na me messages kakram from Maestro GH watching live from Maestro's iPhones Kentampo ho in the Fraba John Anoche watching live from Jessica Oti Region Vincent Kujo or some Vincent Kujo from Pristia Himan keep it up here Darcy Vincent and Nana Akwasi Berima or say El Nino is my best striker of all time, a complete version of a modern day striker. And no Eddie also Eddie Abanono where Yakuba Kabori Chelsea and what the love emoji Saka Waterloo was I'm enjoying the show from Chifupra, so great show. Waterloo yada say Oyibo Boateng from Nyirebehi watching live. Congratulations Black Stars. Kudus. The Warrior, greetings to Honorable Moa Awuku MC Yakuma and Wabieja South. Sansona Yusuf Yaya Panucci. Good morning, Luther King. I'm watching live from Doma Hinkro Gaso Filling Station. Keep doing the good work. Yeah, that's a power. And also Erica Franklin will say I'm from Kentampo and I'm enjoying your good we are enjoying the good show. Ghana played so well in the second half. Okay, what do you know? Bright Asamoah, Bright watching from Manso Datano. I wanna Udi Fraba. Saso ena mebacho wana work okay technicians now. I am Juma. Saso no say good morning. You are the best. Sompa TV Sports all the way. Keep it up. More fame. Okay, yeah that's a pa. George Aduchum. Good morning, Sompa Sports crew. Watching the show live from Dubai. Congratulations to Black Stars players of the win yesterday. Hope to do well in the upcoming games. Okay, or say appear Samuel or the South Africa Sompa Sports. Okay, next from South Africa Nado Dinaba. Okay, watching the show live and clear at Dokoto Junction, a suburb of Wasa Akropon. Esuman Afari and a this message with Yaba and a Gilbert Oben keep up the good work Abu Abuso Edasipa and also a friend DJ Love. We are watching live. Keep it up. Yes, so yeah, that's a lot of messages and about her. Now, you die who you buy the dear Kenya Betos. They mum channel song 752 estate construction. SSOP, Asasia, and Tawantobia Nuatwa, Bromasway, Ope, if ye atward, yes, we had the atwa. Obo Mombetma Boama on Sakabi. And what you know, who are contum. Naso Passasia Twade from Mombe to be the amount. Sasso and our Sas Oton, who fear Oton, who are Japade, you per se Omobo by Edmawa. 52 estate construction for Ombene Kama Edamount. Omudino Monam say, Adebia, a fasa say apartment, and I person be LBA Edmawa. Bebiao Peno, ho. And on be Edaman Cratan, semi Biano, Edamu Crojen, Kumasia, show much acquire, Ubehuno, El Biaya, a ye come papa, Papania Suduanifa, a ye Kumase, and Twaquanoswa, El page 4, and a Bomona, a Crassono, Bomo Cassiman Junction, a Jimpa, at Motaquanoso, Covme Plaza, ho, and I'll be home from 0556 723 338 and a 0531 527 57 0553 5325797. Obviously to on website 52estate.com ubetimi enyom no modi enkomo bia ma bibia eso etima ye kama na ka Trinity of Arc Limited Company say yanka ncho say so your midwife na wotimi nka no pai we nurse ni we lab technician and a health worker na person ko Canada na say UK akwanya na ba ediama bra no mfa nko eno achi no country bia person ko na ukosu ade certificate bia person ko na wonsa koka no Trinity of Arc Limited for ene do be kwama won setima koka on be bokwa na to diama no man say ampa wo kwa ho Bible sem te say usika sem no adwuma yes won sem ete say adwuma mpo na person koya Trinity of Arc for some be boa ama bia ye kama ediama no so mo factory workers omo pe supermarket workers omo pe mechanics farmers bankers plumbers pool loaders and securities and what you pe forklift operators carpenters drivers any caterers nina say factories outdoors so mo pe adwuma ye fon fam omo enu ntino ofro mo a on be boa na ba bi oso mo do kona wo so no adwuma won sa be ka de won sa atimi aka omo say seba Trinity of Arc de so ofro mo ana atwa mo kira ko kumase a omo adoa to masala chi no omo ben Abripo Junction Samson Pemu Accra omo kaso new market no ekwa na ekọ Fidelity Bank na duru a bank no board in the first floor hona be hunu omo fra omo e 0531 644217 and 0531 633 556 na 0205 572076 o from ombejo so na komobia no onu omo adi ye die ho ye ba and some of the aboabo no wa fisem nyina no ye de ebeto anim e wodwumadi so menyu kasa fidi no emfria
wahese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchanti me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro iniane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye o be ya de say o be dial *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now. And number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
So betu kwai akosua de ewa amanone enda from kra top tier amana ye fo achechefo a ye de omo ye adwuma no etutu kwan esua de ewa amanone emfi bebre ye betimi aboa amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate ewa US UK Australia any amama so bebre ye nhwehwe ma won ma won beso won short sat IELTS ena to fail so person wutu kwan akosua de ewa amanone dia empa top tier kumase ye wo amakom Bank of Africa and Temuho. Fred 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagan Plaza Building, no, and a bon renimu. Medina Polyclinic, your number, 020-3592-008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you Kwanta Road no so, you bang Fijai School Park. Your number is 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Esikafo wo krom wo de yi ana nansi edidi hu nkomo yi en wako fa abrofo free abrochira ba be sin in terms of FFS ano akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa ano e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms in Kwan AC Woodane. Some because of our Sompa. Company need and a friend of 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. Aha. What on Sassy and your diamond swing, and that was see a dance or tongue or some managing properties. Natural say, Upa Dayato, Upa Sasiato, and as a Upa Mukubia, I'm in modern houses. I'm when you be at Mo, now unim, we feel crowd was see a Timono. Sir, Nebrachum, now we jar the man 52 estate construction for. That is a design in your Fabian. Mo, yes, I won't put down in your group. But so Bessia down more than one sure one car would do fear. Wow, now one more him 52 estate construction. Our Kisseman, Gimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasanso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media Nyanso, at 52 estates.
Yareda Akradia for fry your friend of Big 4 free game pack games no Eddie. Where Akradia net tuning in the the number Ahodwa and 930 kosi 9 Impressa de Biara number Kayen Kunum Difuane go back to me at to Abel Kratwabia www.gamepackgames.com and Ubebo star 946 hash. Our phone so now with ya man Akradia Adumeko NL Apene Game Pack Games Akradia is wouldn't fear do what ya want to Akradia from Nyansa to Akradia. Big 4 from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be siase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Right, yes, I'm about the Sompa 93.1 FM. Shannon so full time and your team Kunyaso the Ebro Prem Tobre and your sorry in Kunyaso 12 noon. There's your sorry na Prem Tobre Casebono. Eswaba nemo Fisama Yansaka Yabwa Noa Yasono so Crogenia the Ebro ne Ejumadiano. So nemo Shannon say Yanu be and what can Jamunina say or more Ghana card Ayira. Na abeka nsa wosumpa efia ha ndisa utimenka aso onim nipa na wadaroma wayina sutire wankasa so wotia na waba yenu ye friend Ajman Emmanuel Ghana card ayira na ye hwe u date of birth no 1st June 1996 na se eno babia issue card no ma wo nkran ene issue edema wonti Ajman Emmanuel Ghana card ababeka esompa yensa ewa ntuba mepacho oba reception awonu bedi nkomonom di amount ena a champion gifty also Ghana card na abeka yensa a champion gifty also de na ayira abeka yensa ewa ha ena obi eye drivers licenses eso ewa ha eye Nsia Williams o drivers licenses eso ababeka yensa wa ha ntimi se so timenka na waba na eso waba be fe na bibia aye kama edama na nsema odo ayabo no na no pai ewo eye afise mu no yentwa nura wo Kumasi Sports Stadium. The Black Stars of Ghana ewo last round of qualifiers no for AFCON na ebetodwo Ivory Coast 2024 and wa Ghana ni Central African Republic and the pim so na mo fa highlight ne to so be enwe kakra na enwa game no after 90 minutes na ese Ghana ashe 2 ama Central African Republic eso ati ekanu bako na shootout ebesa de brought atapokunka Michael Akumia response muzi out in Ricardo Varas nka Medin Edilu Tekin Abu Dhabi Subewremo production team no Prince Ebobome Saso and Amofi Oref and Jeffrey Asari Apostle Taya Chimeri Jumadi no Ebrahim CRA school fees and Calvin Mo and a boy Adum Duma no miensa obesiati nka ya crowd.
wante wo nipadua ase a wote